everyone. Today we are going to learn number 8. You have to repeat after me. Number 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Now let's turn the card. Okay. How many spoons are here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many spoons are here? 8 spoons. E-I-G-H-T. 8 spoons. How many beans we are going to take out now? Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many beans are here? 8.